Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a spotlight on what could possibly be the best OneWorld clothing for women available in the market. Introducing the OneWorld Women's Sleeveless Woven Sharkbite Hem Dress in the enchanting Bluebell Garden rosette design. Now, before we delve deeper, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Alright, let's talk details. Crafted from 100% polyester, this dress is not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement. With its sleeveless design and elegant scoop neck, it offers both comfort and style in one package. But what sets this dress apart is its unique Sharkbite hem, adding a touch of sophistication to your ensemble. And let's not forget the exquisite floral print, reminiscent of a serene garden in full bloom. Now, why should you consider adding this dress to your wardrobe? Well, for starters, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're heading to a brunch with friends or a casual evening out, this dress has got you covered. Plus, with its easy care instructions, simply toss it in the machine for a quick wash. It's a hassle-free addition to your closet. And did I mention it's imported, ensuring top-notch quality? Now, where can you get your hands on this fabulous piece? Look no further than Amazon, where fashion meets convenience. And with free shipping and returns, it's a win-win situation. So, whether you're treating yourself or surprising a loved one, click the link in the description below to shop this must-have dress from OneWorld. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. And until next time, stay stylish. Feel free to adjust the script as needed to fit your style and preferences.